Have you ever rushed to a Regions Bank ATM at 7:59 p.m., frantically trying to beat the clock? You're not alone. That frantic race to get a deposit in before close of business is a common stressor. But what really happens to your cash or check when you slide it into a Regions Deposit Smart ATM or make a late-night mobile deposit? Does it just sit in digital limbo until morning? The answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no, and understanding it is key to avoiding overdraft fees and managing your money smarter. Let's break down the official Regions Bank policy, focusing on the two main after-hours methods. The Regions Bank deposit cutoff time. First, the all-important number, 8 p.m. Central Time. This is Regions' standard cutoff time for most electronic and ATM deposits on a business day. A business day is any day except Saturday, Sunday, and federal holidays. This 8 p.m. Central Time cutoff is critical because it dictates when your money is considered received by the bank. After our scenario 1, the cash or check deposit at a Deposit Smart ATM. You pull up to a Regions Deposit Smart ATM at, say, 9 p.m. Central Time on a Tuesday. The clock has struck 8. What happens? Immediate credit for cash. If you deposit cash, the funds are often available immediately for debit card and ATM withdrawals, even after the cutoff time. Regions' system is designed to give you instant access to cash deposits. The official posting, however, because you missed the 8 p.m. cutoff, your deposit is officially considered received on the next business day. This means that while you can access the cash, the deposit won't be applied to cover any transactions in that night's main processing run, like large checks, bill pay, or other electronic debits. It will post during the following business day's nightly process. Check deposits. If you deposit a check after 8 p.m., it follows the same rule. It's officially received the next business day. Funds from checks are generally made available by the first business day after the day of receipt. So, a check deposited at 9 p.m. Tuesday would be received on Wednesday and the funds would typically be available on Thursday. After our scenario 2, the mobile deposit. Mobile deposits follow a very similar pattern to the ATM. If you use the Regions mobile app to deposit a check after the 8 p.m. Central Time cutoff, the same rule applies. The bank considers the deposit received on the next business day. Your funds will be available according to the standard check hold policy, which usually means the next business day after the deposit is received. Regions does offer a real-time or immediate funds availability option for mobile deposits, but that comes with a fee, a percentage of the check amount, and is a service you have to intentionally select. If you choose the standard, free option, you're bound by that 8 p.m. cutoff. The bottom line for your money. The key takeaway is understanding the difference between available balance and official posting. If you're making a cash deposit after 8 p.m., you can breathe a little easier. The money is available for new spending right away. But if you're trying to cover a check or an overdue bill that is set to process that very night, missing the 8 p.m. cutoff means your deposit won't be processed in time, and you could still get hit with an overdraft fee. So next time you're near a Regions ATM or about to hit submit on the app, check your watch. If it's before 8 p.m. Central, you're good. If not, plan on that money officially counting for your account the next morning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.